In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play Left 4 Dead on your Mac. The first thing we need to do is to download Crossover. Crossover is a Mac application that's responsible for translating Windows commands into Mac commands. So to do this, we first want to open our web browser, and you want to go to codeweavers.com, and I'll leave this linked in the description below. From here, you want to select Crossover in the top navigation bar, and then you want to scroll down and you want to select Free Trial. From here, we want to scroll down again and you want to make sure you're on Mac OS, and then you want to enter in your name and email address and select Download Trial Now, which will download the installer to your Mac. Before we continue, I do want to look at how the pricing works. So to view the pricing, you want to go back to the Crossover page, and then you want to scroll down and you want to select Buy Now. On the purchase page, we can scroll down and we can see three versions of Crossover. The first version is Crossover Free, which is a 14-day trial that we just downloaded. The second version is Crossover Plus, which is the full version of Crossover. However, it's important to note that this is a one-off payment and not a subscription. So when you purchase Crossover Plus, you will get 12 months of developer support, and once that support is finished, you'll still be able to play Crossover, but you will no longer receive new updates. So if you want to continue receiving updates, you need to purchase another 12 months of support. So now we've downloaded Crossover, we just need to install it, and that's very simple. All we need to do is to drag and drop it into our applications folder. And after a few seconds, once it has moved, we can go ahead and open it up. Because it's our first time, you will see this pop up, so you want to select open. When you open it for the first time, you will see your trial information, and this will be 14 days. So you want to select try now. However, if you've already purchased a license, you want to select unlock with purchase info, and then you want to enter in your CodeWeavers account details here, and select unlock. And then once Crossover opens, it will look like this. So now we have Crossover installed, we just need to install Steam. So to do that, you first want to select Steam from the list, and then you want to go ahead and click on the blue install button in the top right hand corner, and this will install Steam to its own bottle, which is an isolated container for all your files that are separated from your Mac. Now, because I've already got a test bottle, which you can see in the left hand side menu, I need to go ahead and select the drop down menu just next to it, then select a bottle, and then the drop down menu select a new bottle, and then select done, and then select the install button in the top right hand corner. If you get a pop up that looks like this, these are just the dependencies, so you just want to go ahead and install them. And eventually the Steam setup will open, so you just want to go ahead and install it just like you would on a Windows PC. Eventually the Steam login page will prompt you to log into your Steam account, so you want to go ahead and do that now. Eventually the Windows version of Steam will open and it will look like this. So now we have Steam downloaded to our Mac, we just need to go ahead and install Left 4 Dead 2. So to do that, we want to head over to our library, and then you want to select Left 4 Dead 2 and select install, and then you want to go ahead and install it again just like you would on a Windows PC. Once Left 4 Dead 2 has been downloaded and installed to your Mac, you want to go ahead and select play, and if it's your first time it may take a while to boot up as it may need to install more dependencies. So as you can see, we have now booted into Left 4 Dead. And now you can just start playing Left 4 Dead just as you normally would, and you can also play online and with friends if you'd wish to do so. However, I'm going to boot into a single player match just to show you some gameplay. So as you can see, we have just booted into the single player of Left 4 Dead. Now I'm using the default settings, and I'm probably getting about 60 FPS. So we can go ahead and start playing Left 4 Dead just as we normally would. And that's it, so remember to get Crossover with the link in the description below. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.